Oh, it is a good move, and it is a move, I think. He saw the move. Oh, he missed again. He missed. Welcome to another chess video. So I'm playing random rapid game on chess.com. Generally a castle, and my time is only 4 minutes. I have to play first. What is the best move? Can I play ace 5? And bishop f4 because ace 3 attacking me. And maybe I want to play ace 4 because stopping the, maybe in future I will play, maybe now bishop e7. After e6 I will play bishop e7 or knight. First I have to exchange. I want to play bishop e7 and then bishop f6. Maybe not going so far. I'm just waiting. Maybe he's planning e4. He's planning that. He is playing e4. I want to play now, but he has again push. But always he can push. Can I castle or first knight knight d7? Think I cannot capture. I need to wait here. Oh, I making mistakes. I don't see. I don't see that. He can save now everything. He can save everything. Okay, let's castle. So I tried to play in the king side now. Okay, play this rook. My time is bad. I just lost a pawn. One move ago. This is the move. Bishop e7 was forced. I don't see. Now he want to attack my bishop. My bishop can go, or I can play bishop a6. His knight is really good, so good. He's just doing good. Maybe I need some break. I need some break. And okay, I take it. He captures. I think I am already relieved because of the low tension. Maybe. Okay. I think he cannot play this because I have pawn capture. f6, pawn f6, ef6, gf6, and okay, maybe it is a only move, and he can take. Still I have the pawn into g6. He has the tricks is not here, and I think it is another good move, though I am a pawn down, but I think he's just moving the queens, and the knight has to sack because of, you see, the knight can move not anywhere, but my rook file is doubled. I don't know, maybe he is going to play knight f6 and I'm capturing, and there is just I'm winning a whole knight. Though I was really in a bad shape, you see, just I was preparing my OBS to record, and it was, oh, he sacked. He has no way. It's a check I must take, and now if after take, I think simple attack the queen. We go for a check. I have bishop. Oh, what a move, what a move. Nice. Anyway, I think I'm piece up now. He has used extra pawn, so it is his advantage. No problem. It's not problem. Maybe I'm better. Here he can push, I can capture. Oh, it is a good move, and it is a move, I think. He saw the move. Oh, he missed again. He missed that again. He missed that. He has a nice push. Yeah, but my time is totally lost. I am just losing the game. So my opponent making mistake. Why? Because of he can think that I make mistake. Now a same force, same move, and I think push is coming. It is forced. I can go here. Now it is protected. I have central pawn. Oh, queen. Okay, capture the queen. So I think I'm fine. Just now I will move it. Okay, now it's okay. But 58 seconds. It's just be here always, and try to attack the z pawn. Let's see. Capture everything and attack the pawn. How can I save it? I can save it pushing. Oh, you don't save it. I am going to win. Oh, this is the move. 48 seconds. I think my opponent just missing the tricks. Yeah. Okay, just push, keep pushing, and there is nothing because of my bishop protecting that square. Always push, and maybe I will sacrifice like this. I can sacrifice. Yes, I need to sacrifice, and it is finished. I think that means he cannot save it. 30 seconds. If he's a wise player, he must resign the game. Check and queen. So I think it's a good game, but still he's playing. I don't know. Oh, check. Okay, here, wait here and just go for check. Push. I can take again make another queen. 23 seconds. I need to go for checkmate. ওই ছোট করে দিয়ে এখন ওই না ফুটছে না what is the move check oh it's made only 10 seconds I just distracted by my father but I got the best move at the right time just 10 seconds